Hey traders, Lance here. I want to look at some companies that will not only survive this downdraft in the markets, but that will actually thrive and start to accelerate at a faster rate to the upside than the market. So companies I'm looking at, because when you buy a stock, especially if you're a longer term trader or investor, you're looking to buy companies and you're buying companies with solid management, right? You'd invest in a business with good management, right? So that's what you want to look for when you look at stocks. So, and I already shared some of my video game stocks that are holding up very well, EA, Take-Two Interactive, and Activision Blizzard. But some other names here I'm looking at is names like Target, based out of Minnesota, fantastic management. Their CEO has been very, very vocal, keeping investors updated, visiting the White House, keeping stores open, but also providing safety for the workers. And if you look at a stock like Target, yes, is it off the highs from 130? Of course. But the chart still, this is the weekly chart, still very bullish. And if you look where the stock broke out, back here in, looks to be July out here after it was basing, when it broke out, if you look, Target is trading right back to these prior breakout levels, right around that $90 mark out there. So you want to look at companies like that. Walmart, again, their CEO has been very vocal out there. This stock is less than 5% away from its 52-week high. You have to love strength like that. What I don't want you to do is go and say, okay, this stock took a hit. I'm going to go bottom fishing and buy it because it traded at this level. Something like that would be like a Wynn Resorts. You say, oh, Lance, it traded at 150 not too long ago. Now it's at 55. It should go right back up. No, companies like this that are higher volatility, high beta names, exposure to China, where their business is ups and downs like roller coasters, where they do not have the greatest management. Remember the whole Steve Wynn scenario. Oh, that was bad. But companies like this, you may see them up, especially when the market's up. Hey, wow, Wynn's up 13.5%. But these are companies you really want to avoid because too many traders, even that I know, go back to the camp and say, whoa, this stock traded at 150 bucks. It has to go back up. That's not the case. And the same with some of these hotel names, like Host Hotels was 17 bucks. Now it's 10 bucks. You go look at Marriott. Oh, Lance, it was 150 bucks and now it's 69 bucks. Don't try to be a hero and bottom fish these names. I think we're going to start seeing L-shape recoveries, not V-shape, not even U-shape, to where you'll have stocks bounce and then build a base and start to slowly trade. And in my opinion, these names that have gotten beat down a lot, they can stay beat down for months and months ahead instead of looking names like I showed you with Target, Walmart, even a name like a Costco out there. Again, this stock, not too far from its 52-week high at all. You want to look at names that have held up during the recent market sell-off. Hope it helps. Lance here with Lance@thefutureofwealth.com. Shoot me an email.